This versus Robinhood 2025, which is better for trading. Most people get trading platforms wrong by assuming all brokers are the same. In 2025, Plus and Robinhood cater to different trader types. Plus focuses on KEF trading across forex, commodities, indices and cryptocurrencies. You won't believe what happens next. It offers advanced charting tools, risk management features like guaranteed stop loss, and leverage options for experienced traders. Robinhood, on the other hand, is popular for stock, ETF, and crypto trading without commissions. The surprising truth is that it's ideal for beginner traders looking for simplicity and easy mobile access, but lacks advanced order types compared to Plus. Security and regulation matter. Plus is regulated by multiple authorities globally, while Robinhood is SEC and FINRA regulated in the US. Fees and trading instruments vary, so your choice depends on trading experience and goals. In conclusion, choose Plus if you are an experienced trader needing advanced tools and safe fees. Choose Robinhood if you are a beginner or casual trader focused on stocks and it's with low costs. Both are viable in 2025, but your trading style determines the best fit.